Hi, it's Ben from Biteable, and I'm here to show you some common layout mistakes to avoid and how to build layouts. To begin, let's talk about what not to do. One of the most serious design crimes is placing text boxes too close to the edge of the canvas, or to other objects. Every project should have consistent margins that you stick to throughout your video. Luckily, Biteable has a handy grid feature with a suggested outer margin that will keep your videos looking tidy. You can access this feature through the button at the bottom right of your canvas. The next common mistake is not centering your text either in the middle, at the sides, or at the top or bottom. Even if you're only very slightly off center, viewers will unconsciously register that something's not quite right. Again, it's Biteable to the rescue with a nifty snapping feature that helps you align your objects exactly to those center points. Something else that can make a design look a bit amateurish is orphan words. That is, single words on one line. Make sure you get rid of these by dragging your text box handles in or out. Don't put too much text on one scene. If you have a lot of text, consider splitting it up over 2 or 3 scenes. Now let's look at some basic layouts. You can place type in lots of places. The corners, the edges, and the middle are the most common, but always remember your margins, and to balance your text boxes with other objects. When you have multiple elements, it's always a good idea to divide your canvas either in half or into thirds. Having equally divided proportions gives a great sense of order and harmony to your design. Another thing it's useful to think about is visual hierarchy, the order in which a viewer looks at the different elements in a layout. Here's an example of a layout that guides you through the order of priority through use of placement and size. Decide what's the most important piece of information in your layout and give it priority by making it the most prominent. The more objects you need to place, the more fiddly and time-consuming your layout will be to design. Yet again, Biteable provides a great solution with our pre-made layouts. You can access them either through the Scenes button on the content bar, or through the Add Scene button on the right of your timeline. I prefer the Add Scene button because the thumbnails are bigger and you can see more of them at once. Just find the layout you need, fill in the text, and replace the images or footage. In the next video, I'll talk you through text formatting, what font sizes and weights to use, and how to set type.